my body. Oh, she is very tight. Is this not uncomfortable, is it?
Go ahead.
Let it out. And out. Let it out.
Ooh.
Yes, ma'am.
Mmm.
Yes, ma'am.
Mmm. That was good.
Yes, ma'am.
Again.
Again. Other side.
Ooh.
Drop your head, relax. Still too tight. You got all these adjustments, you're still nervous?
Mmm.
Mm-hmm.
That was perfect.
So I'm going to start with some stretches for your neck. I'm just going to apply a little pressure here. And I'm going to stretch your neck both ways, okay?
Okay.
If it ever becomes too tight or uncomfortable, just let me know and we stop.
Okay.
Alright, so we're going to start with a big deep breath for me. And let it out. How's that?
That's good.
Can I go further?
Yes.
Alright, so breathe again. Let it out. Is that okay right there?
Mm-hmm.
Good. Let's go again. Deep breath in. So I don't want you to move your neck. I do all the movements for you, okay?
Okay.
So
was I moving it?
a little bit.
I'm not used to this.
It's okay. Let's start again. Big deep breath. Good. Relax. Let it out. Good. That's okay right there?
Uh-huh.
Good. Let's go one more time. Deep breath in. Relax and let it out. Comfortable? Good. Let's switch sides. Oh, this hair girl. Yes. Hold on. I don't want to. There we go. Okay. Deep breath in. Good. Relax. Let it out. Good. Is that okay?
Uh-huh.
Let's go again. Deep breath in. Relax and let it out. Good. Let's go one more time. Big deep breath. And out. Comfortable?
Uh-huh.
Okay. Good. So I'm going to grab this leg here. And I'm going to bring it across my body. Oh, she is very tight. This is not uncomfortable, is it?
Go ahead.
It was just like, you're not uncomfortable, right? Okay, so let me straighten this one out completely. All right, so I should feel all the pressure and weight from your leg. I don't want to feel, yeah, just like that, good. So start with a big deep breath in. Relax and let it out. Is that okay?
Mm-hmm.
You should feel it all in this area right
I
here,
do.
right? Good. Can I go a little further?
Mm-hmm.
Deep breath again. Go ahead, let it out. That's okay?
Mm-hmm.
Good. All right. Big deep breath. Relax and let it out. Good. You always want to take a big deep breath before I stretch you and exhale as you feel me stretching you out, okay? It will just allow you to extend a little further. We're going to go one more time on this side. Is it tight?
Yeah.
Okay. Is it too tight though?
Girl, I don't stretch. I don't do
Okay,
nothing.
but it's so as soon as you feel that it's like uncomfortable, let me know and then we stop. Because we
Okay.
don't want to push you past a point where you know not able to go to. That could do more damage. Then.
No, you're good. You're
Okay.
good. I'll tell you.
Okay, good. So let's go again. Deep breath in and good out. Good. You notice when you breathe out as I stretch, it kind of allows you to go a little further because you're relaxed. Let's switch sides. Good. Again, big deep breath. So no, you want to stay on your back.
Okay.
Yep. Deep breath in and out. Good. Is that okay?
Mm-hmm.
Can I go further? Just a little bit?
Just a little bit.
All right, start with another breath. And out. All right. Deep breath in. Go ahead and let it out. Good, I'm gonna go a little further, okay? And let it out. Good. Perfect, we're gonna do it one more time.
This is so bad. I don't stretch at all.
You're not gonna feel like this when you leave though, so don't worry about it.
Okay.
Deep breath in. Relax and let it out. Good. my leg's gonna drop completely off the table, just like that for me, okay? This leg's gonna come up, bend it for me. Good. And I'm gonna place it right here on my shoulder. Okay? So, you wanna start with a big deep breath in and out. How's that?
That's good.
Is it too tight?
Yeah.
A little bit? Okay, so let's stop and then we start over. If it ever becomes too tight, just be like, that's good, or okay, or something, and then I'll stop.
Okay.
Deep breath in. Relax completely, let it out. How's that right there? Okay. Good. We just do it one more time on this. Deep breath in. Relax and let it out. Good. Perfect. Now we switch sides. Was that okay?
That was good.
Yeah. Same thing for this side. Foot goes here, applying the pressure here. Deep breath in. Relax completely, let it out. Is that okay? Good. Deep breath in. Relax and let it out. Good. Perfect. Big deep breath. And out. A little more pressure is the last one. Good. Apply a little pressure here while I lift this leg up just like this, okay?
Okay.
So start with a big deep breath for me. Let it out. How's that?
That's good.
Okay, can I go a little further?
Mm-hmm.
All right, let's take another breath. Let it out. Comfortable right there?
Mm-hmm.
Good. I'm gonna do it 2 more times on this side. Deep breath in. Let it out. Good. Comfortable right there?
Mm-hmm.
Let's go 1 more time on this side, okay? Deep breath once you're ready. Relax and let it out. Good. Now switch sides, okay? All right. Once you're ready, big deep breath. Relax, let it out. Good. Is that comfortable?
Mm-hmm.
Can I go further?
Mm-hmm.
Let's take another breath. Relax and let it out. Good. Come down. Breath in. Relax and let it out. Good. We're going to do 1 more time, okay?
Okay.
So can I start with a big deep breath? Good. Relax. Let it out. Perfect. Good. So we have a few more stretches. We're just going to continue them out on the exercise mat, okay?
Okay.
You good. So this stretch is going to be for your back, okay? So what you're going to do is make sure that your glutes are on your heels. Good. They stay there.
Okay.
Okay. So you want to place your hands on the floor just like this. Yep, but keep your glutes down. Perfect. You want to drop your head down. Start with a big deep breath. And then you just want to slide out using your top part just like this. Keeping the whole bottom part down.
So go like this.
Yep, just like that. Continue to put your head down. And I'm just going to apply a little pressure just like this. How's that feel?
Mm-hmm.
Good. Go ahead and slide back up for me.
Same thing?
Yes.
Okay.
Drop your head down. So nope, you want to start locked just like this, elbows down.
Okay.
Drop your head first. Deep breath in. And slide out. Yep. Slide out. Drop your head, keep it tight. Hold it. And slide back. How was that?
Was I doing it right?
Yes.
Okay. That was good. It's good when I go down.
Yeah.
Not when I come up.
No, that's fine. That's where the stretch happens there when you're going down. So sorry.
Okay.
So go ahead and place your arms down again.
Okay.
Drop your head, big deep breath, and slide out. Good. Continue to drop your head, Applying pressure. Continue to breathe. Good. And slowly slide back out. Okay, we're just gonna do it one more time, okay?
Okay.
Big deep breath. And slide out. Applying pressure. Is that okay?
Mm-hmm.
Good. Now go ahead and come back. Perfect. Now we're going to do some stretches for your glutes, okay? So you're going to lay down right in the middle with your head this way. All right. So, well, I can start this side. So she's over there. This leg's going to come completely down. Yep. You're going to actually put your arms down because I want to stretch your leg back. Perfect. So you want to start with a big deep breath for me. Go ahead and relax and let it out. How's that?
That's good.
Can I go further?
Yeah.
All right, breath again. And let it out. Is that okay?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, good.
This is so bad.
Deep breath in. Relax and let it out. Good. Is that comfortable?
Mm-hmm.
Good. Relax your leg completely. Good. Big deep breath. And out. Good. Perfect. Let's switch sides, okay? Deep breath in. Relax and let it out. Is that comfortable? We're going to do it one more time on this side, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Take deep breath. Relax and let it out. Good. Can I go a little further with this one? Another breath for me. Relax and let it out. Good. Perfect. So that was your last one. And Dr. Clerge will see you now, okay?
Okay.
Hey guys, Dr. Clerge, your DMV chiropractor, and I'm here today with Janice. So Janice, you've been to a chiropractor before, but a while back, right?
Oh yeah, a long
Like
time ago.
a few years ago?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Are you afraid?
No.
No? So you came in with complaints of basically stiffness, tightness, soreness, neck, mid, lower back. Give me some information. What makes it worse? Like, because I know you said your job requires a lot of standing, right?
I feel like when I sit down long, it
What?
hurts more.
Prolonged sitting.
Yeah, long sitting down.
Okay. How did the stretches go?
The stretches were good.
They were good?
Mm-hmm.
Were you tighter than you anticipated?
Yeah.
All right, so the adjustment part of it. So the stretches were basically for both joint flexibility and muscle flexibility. Now the adjustments are focusing on the joints, okay?
Okay.
So you just have to relax when I tell you to relax, and then things should go smoothly.
Okay.
Okay? All right. So I'm going to start with the lower back first, okay? And then we'll work our way up.
Okay.
All right?
Okay.
So I'm going to have you rotate right and left because I want to assess your motion. Don't do it yet. So let's have you rotate to the left for me. Okay. Rotate to the other side. A little bit more. Is that a little tight? Or,
Yeah.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. We're going to rotate again. This time, let me have you extend, so go back this way. There you go. Good. Rotate again to the other side for me and extend and go back. Okay. All right. We'll start with you facing this wall. So you're going to be on your side facing this wall. All right. So head is right in that groove. Good. I'm going to square your shoulder up a little bit more. Good. Okay. And I'm going to bring your lower body closer to me, okay? All right. Good. Good. All right. This leg that I'm touching, you're going to straighten that leg out. Good. You won't fall off the table. You're going to feel like you are, but you're not, okay?
Okay.
And I want you to just relax. Good.
Am I relaxed?
You are. Hold on to your arm. I'm going to reach in like this. Good. All right. Take a deep breath for me. Let it out. Good. You want to relax your body as much as you can, okay?
Okay.
All right. Hold on to your arm a little tighter, though. Good. All right. And out. One more time. Deep breath. Out. Relax. There it is. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Again.
Again. Other side. How did that feel?
That was good.
It wasn't painful.
No.
See? So people are worrying for nothing, right?
No, I told you I was excited.
You were excited.
Yeah.
All right. So same scenario, but this time just a little different, okay? So I'm going to position you again. Head goes right in that groove. Perfect. And you're going to hold on to your arm like this. Okay. I'm going to bring the table up this time. There you go. You're a pro now, right? So I'm going to reach in. Good. And you're just going to hold on to your arm.
Do I need to do something with this leg?
I got you.
Okay.
So your lower part of your body, you're going to bring it a little bit closer. There you go. Perfect. Hold on to your arm. Good. And I'm going to bend this leg this way. Now, hold on a little tighter. There you go. Good. Deep breath for me. Let it out. Good. Hold on tight. Good. Relax. Deep breath out.
Ooh.
Yes, ma'am.
That was good.
That was good.
Mm-hmm.
Any pain?
No.
No?
That
Okay.
felt good.
Felt good. That was pretty loud too. All right, let's have you sit up. Good. Okay, how do you feel so far?
I feel good.
Not too bad?
Mm-hmm. Not
Okay.
too bad.
All right, so let's see. We're going to focus on the lower thoracic and mid thoracic, okay?
Okay.
So I'll explain to you what to do. We'll do a few trials first,
Okay.
and then we'll adjust. Because I only got one shot to do it, okay?
Okay.
All right. Slide back for me. You can move your whole body back. A little bit more. Perfect, right there. You all right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so both arms are coming up. You're going to go underneath your hair and unlock your fingers. So hand behind your head.
Like
Yep.
this?
Go underneath your hair. Yep, there you go. Good, just like that. Now, I gotta be able to reach my arm into this little space right here. Good. Drop your whole body on me. Good. Okay. Take a deep breath. Let it out. At the end of the breath, you gotta relax your whole body.
Oh, wait, hold on.
Because you're too tight right now. So
Okay.
let's do that again. But so hold on. At the end of the breath, your whole body needs to relax, like drop. It needs to drop on me. Okay. All right.
Okay.
Let's try it again. Deep breath. Out. Yeah, just like that. Perfect.
My hands are coming out though.
Yeah, they're coming out. Okay. So now let's. So you know what to do.
It's like
right.
sliding.
Right. So you're going to interlock your fingers again. Deep breath. At the end of the breath, relax. Okay.
And you want my fingers on my neck, right?
Right. And interlock your fingers. There you go. Just like that. All right. Drop your whole body on me. Good. All right. Deep breath. Out. Relax.
Oh.
Yes, ma'am.
She looking at me like. That was good.
Good?
Mhm.
No pain?
No. Mm-mm.
It was loud, so people think,
Yeah.
cracking sound.
No, it was good.
Okay. All right. So now, let's see. The next adjustment, I'm going to try and get this portion here. I may get it, I may not. Because this portion is a bit harder.
Mm-hmm.
If I don't get it, we'll do it a different way, okay? I'm going to have you stand up right where I'm standing at that angle. Okay?
Okay.
Mm-hmm. Okay. All right, so both arms are coming up. And I'll tell you, you're going to spread your legs apart from me a little bit. Perfect. Now, I'm going to reach in, okay? I'm going to move your hair out of the way a little bit. Okay, so you're going to, same scenario, interlock your fingers, go underneath your hair, put it on top of my hands, okay?
Wait, like this?
So go underneath your hair and interlock your fingers. And you want to put it on top of my hands.
Like this?
Yep. Perfect. Good. All right. Now, squeeze your elbows together.
Okay.
Okay. I'm going to bring you back.
I still kind of feel tight right
It feels tight. Yeah, it's going to feel tight. Squeeze your elbows. Harder. Harder. Yeah, you're too tight for that. Okay. Usually you'll hear a lot of popping.
Yeah, I feel that I was tight right
But I
now.
knew you were too tight for it. All right, so let's try a different one.
Okay.
Okay, so we'll have you have a seat. Okay. So, all right, so my next focus is going to be right where I'm touching. Okay? That's your upper thoracic and the lower portion of your cervicals. Okay? So I'm going to have you face down. You're going to be on your stomach. All right. So Janice, relax as much as you can. Okay?
Okay.
I'm going to move your head and neck in this fashion. So just relax, all right?
Okay.
Are you ready?
Mm-hmm.
Good. Relax. There it is. How was that?
That was good.
That was good.
Mm.
Okay. Let's go to the other side. Okay. So once again, just relax for me, okay?
Okay, is this good?
Just that's good. And I'll do all the movements for you. You don't move your head and neck, I'll do the movements. You ready?
Mm-hmm.
Relax for me. Relax, relax. Good, good, good. Relax.
Mm.
Yes, ma'am.
Mm. That was good.
Not too bad?
That was real good. I needed that.
Sit up for me.
Mm. That was good. That was good.
All right. Any pain? with
No,
movement?
that was good.
That was good?
I really needed that.
Yeah, you're locked up. All right. So let's do one more. Okay. When I tell you to relax, once again, you just have to relax, okay?
Okay.
So, right where my fingers are, right up here. This is where I'm targeting, okay?
Okay.
Okay. So, go ahead and drop your head down for me and just relax. Good. Relax your whole body. You're too tight.
Am I relaxed?
You're not relaxed.
Okay, hold on.
So,
Start over.
when I tell you to drop your head, if I let my hands go, it should drop.
Okay.
Okay, when I let my hands go, your head was still up.
Okay.
Okay, so just kind of like you're going to sleep, relax your whole body.
Okay.
Drop your head, relax. Still too tight. Like, you see, look, if I'm sitting and I tell you to drop your head, it's like this. You're like this, right?
Okay.
So you're fighting me a little bit. All right, are you ready? You got all these adjustments, you're still nervous?
No. Okay, go
You're good?
Mm-hmm.
All right. Good. Drop your head down. Relax your body. There you go. That's better. Good. Relax. Mm-hmm.
That was perfect.
That was good.
Again.
So the key is again, huh? The key is to just relax.
Right.
Okay. Okay, so you got it, right?
Mm-hmm.
Ready?
Hold on. Okay. Let it drop. Hold on.
All right. There you go. Bring you up a little bit more. Just pop it a little bit. Go ahead and drop your head down for a moment. Relax. You're still too tight. Let's try it again. Relax. Drop your head down. Relax. There you go. That's better. Still tight, but that's better. Relax for me. There you go.
I feel good.
Not too bad?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, that's it. Get up, move around, let me know how you feel.
I feel good. I have to come back though.
Huh?
I still have to come back. I feel like I need more.
You need more?
Yeah.
I'll probably see you in about 8 weeks.
Okay.
Okay? So when you were bending forward, you were touching your toes. Well, no, you weren't touching your toes, right?
I was.
You were touching. You couldn't touch the floor.
Yeah.
So let's see what happens.
Oh.
There you go. Yep.
Okay. That's good.
That's good?
Wow.
Not too bad, right?
Yeah.
So rotate for me. Good. Move your head and neck. Let me know how that feels.
Yeah, that's good.
That's good?
Mhm.
Okay.
My neck feels good.
Yeah, neck feels good.
Yeah.
So basically now what we're going to focus on massages, okay?
Okay.
So let me show you what they're going to do. So like I explained to my patients, the adjustments are usually for the joints, but you know, not necessarily the muscle, okay? So we're going to massage the neck, the upper, mid, and then the lower back, okay? All right?
Okay.
And then that's it.
Thank you.
All right, you're welcome.